Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. T5 the Traveler here with Becky the Trekkie. We're at Dollywood and we're going to go on Thunderhead. Up next, we'll bring you on board, point of view, front row, or back row, depending on what we choose. And we'll let you know after the ride what we think of it. We just got here. It's early spring and it's just about sunset, so we'll see what it looks like. There's Thunderhead wooden coaster up next.
Gates are opening.
Okay, Becky. Seatbelt goes across both.
Those who are next in line, please take a step back. Those entrance gates are closing.
You got it. Really tighten it.
Weak will. Hey.
Are you in?
I don't know. How about your toes?
I got my toes tucked under.
I got the seatbelt like.
We should be good.
This thing ain't locked. Just slide back a little bit and then push. You mind if I help? Okay. There you go. You're good. She can take your hat.
I heard it click.
I got it. You can stick it in your jacket.
No, the gentleman behind said he was worried it wasn't locked. I heard it click. He's okay. He's okay. So it's got a little bar underneath the front. I got my toes tucked under that. I don't know if that's going to be a mistake or not, or if this is one of those ones
it's
that I want to
like
that I want to push up a little bit. But boy, there's not much room to push up. So I don't know. We'll see. It's the first ride on this for me.
Yep.
Double checks on both sides. That's nice. Okay, we're clear.
All clear? If you guys are ready to ride, make some noise.
Wasn't bad. Hey, we just came off of an 8-hour car ride. What do you expect, everybody? All right, Thunderhead. Hopefully that sunlight's not just going to be totally blinding, but we've heard this is fast and powerful, and it's got over 100-foot drop. It's supposed to roar on the track, and hopefully it's not going to shake us too rough, but we'll see how she goes. I'm gonna look over here to the right just in case. Sometimes they got a little camera watching you at the top of the track. There's Big Bear Mountain over there to the right, the orange one, and a few others, and we'll just start panning back to the left. There we go, got past it, no problem.
Here we go.
Hands up, everybody, first ride.
Woo!
Oh man! A little bit of a stall. Out of the seat! Oh, she's screaming at me! See how the head is.
Oh my god.
Oh man, is that dripping right there?
I don't know, my eyes were like watering.
Woo! Okay. Okay. It picked the heart rate right up.
Oh yeah.
That wind, boy, it just roars. I'm gonna have to turn the volume on this way down.
Oh, now my ears.
And really, I'm breathing a little heavy on this. That was like it's like a little mini workout if you really fight the G-forces on this ride.
Yeah.
And you try to just kind of stay in the air, you know what I mean? And they said you need upper body strength. I do feel it. I don't know why. That's weird.
Welcome back, riders. How was your ride?
Woo!
Please stop. You guys can let everybody back first.
It's a good one. I don't know where we should rank all the wood coasters at some point.
That would be.
I know what my #1 roughest wood coaster is. and that would be Blue Streak. So if you watch this this long, check out that Blue Streak video, because oh lordy, that is an interesting one too. So okay everybody, we'll see you soon here as soon as we get down the stairs, and let you know what we think.
Love every moment.
Thank you, Dollywood. And that was Thunderhead. I gotta say, I had a great first ride on that. That was our first coaster of the trip. It really roars around the track. I did feel that 2 G-force that they're talking about. It really kind of pushes you. So I just kind of lifted up and I was trying to like Superman it through there. But I gotta say, I felt it in the shoulders and the arms at the end of that. It really, that extra G-force, it really plays a lot. The turns are great in that. That first drop's nice. It takes you to that little twist to the right, and it just sets the pace for the ride, and it just really moves all the way through. There's a little bit of a stall, I think, when you come up to the top of that first hill out of that first ride. In the front, we felt it. It'd be interesting to see. We'll probably ride it at night in the back and just see how it pulls you through the ride, and then you get that full distance of that drop. You know, the view is always good in the front, and it pushes you. You really feel the G-forces, but you don't always get pulled through where you're just like hanging in the air. So it had a lot of airtime in the front, so I'm curious to see how it would do compared to the back. So what'd you think, all in all?
I think that's gonna rank in one of my top wooden coasters. But yeah, kind of similar to how you were feeling it up in like the upper part. I was kind of standing up on my feet a little bit, so I'm kind of feeling it in the quads right now. But yeah, that was awesome ride. Had my hands up the whole time.
Nice. So what she's talking about there is sometimes we'll push up a little bit so your head doesn't rattle as much, but really that one was nice and smooth. So all in all, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. We'll see all our fellow travelers, loyal subscribers soon. This one's running a little bit long, but thanks for sticking with us this long if you did. Click the like button if you like our videos. That'll help us grow and get to a new audience, and we'd appreciate that. And we'll see all of you very soon on the next one. Bye everybody.